Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Riddhi and today we're going to talk about the Puneet Khurana case. Yes, there has been another instance, एक और घटना ऐसे होती है just like Atul Subhash's. I would like to brief you with the whole Puneet Khurana case. So Puneet Khurana is a person from Delhi who is married with Manika Jagdish Pashwa, who is totally a feminist, and they co-owned two businesses, Woodbox Cafe and For God's Cake. ये दो businesses हैं जो ये दोनों co-own करते थे and they were married in the year of 2016. And for the past 2 years उन लोगों का divorce case चल रहा था. So in the New Year's Eve, Puneet commits and he leaves behind a video which is an hour long, which is being withheld by the police. I'd like to show you a few clips from the news.
पुलिस ने एफआईआर भी नहीं लिखी है अभी तक. उसको मनिका को पुलिस स्टेशन लाए थे क्योंकि मेरे भाई ने बयान दिया हुआ, उसमें वीडियो में है कि वो कल्परेट है, लेकिन उसको भी वापस घर भेज दिया. उसके अगेंस्ट भी कोई एक्शन नहीं किया गया, कोई एफआईआर नहीं हुई है. पोस्टमार्टम कल से लेके गए हुए हैं, आज पोस्टमार्टम के लिए भी मना कर दिया. अब टाइम नहीं है, अब कल होगा.
Now there is a pattern. For instance, in the case of Atul Subhash, we have seen the pattern of corruption. The accused judge, Rita Kaushik, उनके अगेंस्ट में कुछ नहीं किया गया. और ये जो अभी का केस है, उस केस में भी information is being withheld. In a simple scenario, the people are hiding information. For what reason? We don't know. किसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जा रहा है यहाँ पे? किसको बचाया जा रहा है? We don't know yet. और यहाँ पर बॉडी का पोस्टमार्टम भी नहीं हुआ है. बॉडी का पोस्टमार्टम नहीं हुआ. For evidence, Atul Subhash के केस में it was in the social media, it was directly present for everyone to look at. But in the case of Puneet, the information is being withheld by the police. I would like to show you a clip of his brother. देखते वो क्या बोलते हैं.
मैम, हमारे भाई ने कर लिया है, उसकी वाइफ से उसका डिवोर्स का था, बट हमने बहुत कोशिश करी सब ठीक हो, लेकिन उसने सुसाइड कर लिया. और उसने एक वीडियो बनाया है अपना जो कि मोबाइल में है उसकी, बट दिल्ली पुलिस वो उसने सीज कर लिया है या वो ले गए हैं. वो हमें वो वीडियो दे नहीं रहे, ना फैमिली को दिखा रहे हैं. तो ये पूरा है. अब इस टाइम और क्या कोई कह सकता है. हमारा छोटा भाई गया.
तो अभी क्या होता है कि पुनीत commits suicide in the New Year's Eve because he could not live a single day because of his wife, as it was seen from the call recordings कि उनके जो वाइफ है उनके साथ बहुत ही उनका बिहेवियर या फिर उनका इंटरेक्शन थोड़ा भी अच्छा नहीं था एंड इट वाज रियली रियली बैड.
कोई बात नहीं, कर लो सब कर लो.
अरे इतना तो मेरे में दिमाग ही नहीं है. आप खुद ही बोलते थे ना कि टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी. नींद नहीं आ रही, 3 बजे मेरे को कॉल कर रहे हो.
ग्रो अप.
उनके ऊपर मेंटल टॉर्चर हो रहे थे, just like we have seen in the case of Atul Subhash. Right now, what we have seen is Puneet has left behind a video which is an hour long and which is currently being withheld by the police. तो इस केस में हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? I would cite a very obvious thing, and that is corruption. For instance, we have seen in the case of Atul Subhash that the judge accused, allegedly, Rita Kaushik, who was accused for bribery, उनके against कुछ नहीं किया गया. And it has been a long time. It has been more than 72 hours. In the case of Puneet Khurana, अभी तक भी कुछ नहीं किया गया है. There has been no response from the cops. And the second thing is, जो ये 1 hour का nearly 1 hour का वीडियो है जो पुनीत खुराना छोड़ के गए हैं, it is being hidden. The question arises, क्या information है which is not being let out in the public? For instance, in the case of Atul Subhash, the evidence was left in social media, which people could see, people could watch, people could witness, and they could come up with a case. Atul Subhash जो थे, what he was going through and what he was facing, हम लोगों ने we had analyzed it down to last bits. वो वीडियो था जो वो छोड़ के गए थे. But in this case, right now, the police is withholding the information, or as it has been said, the police is not transferring the phone, जो भी है. But there's one thing, the family can request, according to the law, they can request that information to be provided to them using the legal channels. A few things arises. What is happening right now? It is the weakness of the judicial system, the bias in the judicial system, which needs a reform, because we need laws which are to be gender neutral. Otherwise, we are seeing a very big bias against the men in this country, जिसकी वजह से वो अपने जान गवा बैठ रही है. It is a serious issue. इसकी वजह से एक और केस होता है which is just like Atul Subhash's. Puneet Khurana, he is now no more with us. वो तो अभी चले गए हैं. What can we do? In the last video of Atul Subhash, I said we should take a step जिससे कि there should not be more cases like Atul Subhash. But unfortunately, in the starting of this year, we see this cases going on. इतने सारे demands from the side of the female एंड इज इट रियली जस्टिफाइड? 10 लाख मांग रहे हो या फिर एक ऐसा रकम मांग रहे हो जो एक लड़का फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता है, जितना भी वो चाहे कर कुछ भी कर ले, और आपका फैमिली हरास हो रहा है उसके पीछे, आप क्या करोगे? एंड इन दिस इंस्टेंस पुनीत was facing that. उनके फैमिली को फेस करना पड़ रहा था, उनके माता पिता को फेस करना पड़ रहा था, जो वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में जो कुछ लीक हुआ है जिससे हम लोग को पता चलता है. What about that? अभी क्या फैसला लेगी कोर्ट? कैसे इस वीडियो को लिया जाएगा? What steps will be taken by the people who are in charge? Right from the case of Atul Subhash, now to the case of Puneet Khurana from Delhi. हम लोगों के पास अभी भी ठीक आंसर्स नहीं है. What will happen to the men of this country? ये एक बहुत एक सीरियस क्वेश्चन है जो मैं जुडिशरी को देना चाहूँगा. हमारे देश के मर्दों के लिए क्या कर रहे हो आप? And will there be reforms? Will there be gender neutral laws? We need to decrease the bias between men and women. We have also witnessed something, and that is there has been no investigation by the police. There might be a cognizable offense, and when there is a cognizable offense, there is always an investigation according to CRPC, which is currently right now the BNSS. What about that? पुनीत जो है उनका reason था to do it, जैसे कि हम लोग अभी पता चल रहा है, was because of deaths and also for the demands by Anika Jagdish Pashwa, the wife of Puneet Khurana, demands which could not be fulfilled by Puneet. Number 2, paying Anika's lawyer's fees and also his, and some pressurization on him, जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी जान गवा बैठते हैं. Why is there no investigation being done? ये कितना जरूरी है? This will set a precedent. जो हम लोग अतुल सुभाष के केस में देखा है, something similar has happened, and this is a trend which we are heading towards. तो ठीक नहीं है for the men who are going to marry, to the men who are married, and to the men who are getting divorced. What we are seeing is really pathetic. यहाँ पे जो हम लोग समझे हैं, there was a significant amount of money which was being asked from Puneet. 10 लाख जैसे डिमांड कर रहे थे, and also there were few debts which were being asked by Manika over here, जिसको पुनीत फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे थे, एंड ऑल्सो देयर वर मोर डिमांड्स. देयर वाज एन एक्सट्रीम प्रेशर फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ मनिका टुवर्ड्स पुनीत. तो क्या हम लोग क्या करें इस सिचुएशन में? साइकोलॉजी में फोकस करें, सिस्टम पे फोकस करें? व्हाट शुड वी फोकस ऑन? देयर नीड्स टू बी अ जुडिशियल रिफॉर्म for the men in this country, because as we have seen, a woman seems to be always innocent until proven guilty, but a man seems to be guilty until proven innocent. क्या यही हर वक्त चलता रहेगा? हमेशा यही चलता रहेगा? There needs to be clear answers now.